coming up, we're going to do a bunny in a basket. So we're going to start, the bunny's face is going to go right around here, and then we'll do the big basket above there. So start in the center, go down, and depending how much basket you want underneath the bunny's face, I'm going to do my face right about here. So the nose is going to be a V shape like this. There's my V. Okay, and then a line. Okay, and then you're just going to kind of, it's the same V but upside down there. And then sometimes I like to do something called a fuzzy line. So it's not a straight line, but you're kind of doing flick marks. Flick, 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 like that. Good. And then you're going to go up like this. And then up here, you're going to kind of do a diagonal out to maybe about there. And then to about there. That's going to be the bottom of the eye. You're going to do a curve like that. Oops. And a nice big round eye. It's not round, like it is round, but the fur is stopping you from seeing the whole eye like that. Okay? And then it's a little bit tricky to keep it the same size. Sometimes I'll measure it with my fingernails and do the top and bottom. And once I'm happy with that, then I will continue to finish the drawing. There we go. And then I'm going to do that part. And this might take a few times. It's okay if you keep working on it. Then I'm going to do a shine mark in this eye and fill that in. And a shine mark there. There. Okay. So far, that's what we have. And then I'm going to do some fluff around the eye like this and here. And then a nice big face. Flick, 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 just like that. And then a little chin. I'm going to put some shadow underneath so it looks like a mouth is opening a little bit. And then the top of the head is almost there. So we're just going to kind of do dotted lines so we're happy with it. I'm happy with that. So I'm going to add some flicks like this. And then above the eye, we're going to start the ear. So let's have a few flicks of fur. And here comes the ear. The ear is going to go past the bottom of the chin. Like that. And then we're going to do the top part of the ear that's opening like that. And same thing with this side. A few little hairs, extra hairs. And the other part there. Good. You might want to add some of this, some shading in there. If you're doing a pencil, you might want to smudge that. I might add a little bit of shadows in there. Makes it look like it's going in. And then, now we're going to do the basket. So let's do a basket starting here, under that ear. His face is just kind of perching on the edge of the basket. Like that. And then we'll have, here comes, that's the basket handle. And then the side of the basket kind of just goes down like that. And then you could do all kinds of things. You could put some eggs in here. And you could decorate the eggs if you wanted. Or you could put candy or whatever you want. Maybe some flowers. And then I'm going to do a little paw here. Just like that, just so I can see his little paw. I shouldn't have done that line if I'm going to do a paw there, that's all. But that's okay. And then let's do some dotted lines there. And there. And there. And then curving this way a little bit. And then that way. And then, this is easy, we're going to do a curve. All the way down. It's going to go underneath this. And then again to the next line. See how I'm continuing it from there? So just keep your eye on that. There we go. Do both sides of that. And then to the next one. And there's that next one. Just finishing that, oopsies. Okay, to this one I'm going to draw that first to get rid of my dots. I'll go right over top of it and finish that. There we go, almost done. Good. There we go, and then the last one. Gives it a nice weave look. I'm going to put some straw sticking out here and there. But you can add anything that you like. I might do some designs on this egg, so you can notice it's a decorated egg. But feel free to do it however you like. This one too. Add a little more shading. Fill that little triangle in. And under this ear. And then you might want to add a little bit of fuzz to the, maybe some, you could add whiskers if you want, or put a fun hat on him. I'm going to add a little marking on his face, like there. And maybe on this part of his nose. Maybe like a caramel color or whatever you'd like. There, my bunny's done. Thanks for watching.